What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do my mini twists that I normally wear all the time. I do plan on leaving this hairstyle up for 2 weeks, but after the first week I am going to wash my hair, put oil in it, and then we wear it for another week. I did not deep condition my hair this week, but I will once I take these out. This is freshly washed hair, and I had already went ahead and parted off 4 sections. This is how I'm going to start my twist. The products that I'm going to be using is the Cantu coconut curling cream that I always use. Just a plain water bottle, nothing in it but just water. And then I'm going to use the African Pride Miracle Oil. And those are the only products I'm going to use. I normally would use my Blue Magic grease, but I'm not going to use it this time. So we're going to take the first section. I'm just going to do a little on camera, and then I'll come back when I'm almost done. So I'm just going to part it. And then I'm going to take some coconut curling cream and some oil. Let's put a little water. And then I'm going to comb it out. My curls are really pretty today. Sometimes they're not. Anyways, I'm going to take this and I'm just going to part it in two and twist. I'm going to do this for my entire head. This normally takes me like 2 hours, sometimes longer, depending on what I have to do that day. But I'm going to try to do this pretty quickly because I want to sit under a hooded dryer so it can dry, because I have to be somewhere this afternoon and it's cold outside. The parts don't have to be straight, because once you see it all done, like, you won't see the parts. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this section, then I'll let you see what it looks like when I'm done with this side. And then I'll go ahead and do like the rest of my hair. So I'll be right back. This is what the back looks like. I'm so tired. This is the back. It'll shrink more as it dries. So I am gonna do how I normally part my twist. So I'll do this part first. And then when I do this, I'll part it this way. And then I'll keep going. So I'll do another one this way, up, this way, up. So I'll do the first 2 on camera. So this is my hair finished. I literally just finished it. So this side is still like somewhat wet, but you can tell it's drying because it's starting to shrink, and this side isn't dry yet. So it's still kind of wet, so it's still kind of long. So don't mind that. But I normally wear my hair like this anyway, pull to the side, so it doesn't matter. I am gonna sit under the dryer to let my hair fully dry because I have somewhere to be this afternoon. So I'll probably sit under there for, I don't know, until it dries, I guess, because I don't have nothing to do until this afternoon. But this is the finished product. Make it up close. I hope you guys like this hairstyle because I love it. This is my go-to hairstyle. Like, I literally have, like, if I don't want to comb my hair for at least 2 weeks, I literally do my hair like this. I wash my hair like this. I oil my hair like this. Like, this is my favorite hairstyle. Most people assume that I want dreads when I wear this, but that's not always the case. But I'll show you from all angles. So again, don't mind it being long on this side because it's still dry. I mean, still wet. So yeah, this is the finished product. I hope you guys like this hairstyle. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and please subscribe. I cannot stress that enough. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.